Kalakwachero, we're going to Rico today. Come and join us. Puntahan namin sa work si Rico. There's where we go to Rico. We are in town. Oh, there. Oh. We're going to Lulu. And we will see my Johnny, my Lava, my Mark, Sophia, and Celeste, and Panchotan, and Mark, and look, we're going to Lulu. We will see Rico. We check. We will be. It's not really. Oh. So. Oo nga, basang ka dito yung carpet natin. May carpet pa. Oo. Diba? Bakit may carpet, anak?
Na red carpet pa niya kami.
Hello! Hi!
Kleine familie hoor.
Kleine familie.
Hi, Rico!
Dat is maar de helft, hè?
Dito si Rico nagwo-work. Oh, di ba? Yan, dito si Rico nagwo-work. At o-order na kami. Ayan. O-order tayo. Pili-pili na kayo anong inyong iinumin. Picture. Ayun, ang aking anak nag-iintay sa order namin. Ayan, selfie. Picture muna tayo. Despedida na to ni na Ate Love. Because they're going back to the Philippines bukas. But of course, they will come back soon again. Ayan. So, dinalaw namin si Rico because nanood kami ng movie. Wala si Rico. Hindi kami kompleto dahil wala si Rico. May work siya. Kaya after the movie, dito kami. Order na kayo. Anong iinumin nyo? At si Rico ang gagawa. Nagwo-work siya dito. Bartender siya sa place na to. Sa Lulu. Yun siya. Oh. Nagwo-work si Rico, baby ko. Ayan. Sige, o-order na kami.
Look at a heart.
A heart from Rico.
A heart from Rico.
Rico, je bent een mooie lampenkap.
Dankjewel.
Je moeder probeert altijd een foto te maken, maar het lukt niet.
That's my son.
Ja.
Hot chocolate ka, nilagay mo naman ang fan.
All drinks are completed. We can all drink.
Oh, almost full.
Wow, Rico is serving it na.
Look, there's a passion fruit in there. Shake it
And
till
what
you
we
make
can
it.
get?
Did you get the white wine? Thank you. Bedankt, hè.
That's my son, ang pogi.
Look at a heart.
A heart from Rico.
A heart from Rico.
Rico, je bent een mooie lampenkap.
Dankjewel.
Je moeder probeert altijd een foto te maken, maar het lukt niet.
That's my son.
Ja.
Hot chocolate ka, nilagay mo naman ang fan.
All drinks are completed. We can all drink.
Oh, almost full. Did you make a movie? Are you,
Yeah, I
you are
want
too
to
late?
make a movie.
But you're too late now.
Yeah, I'm too late.
Meron pa isa kay Rika.
Yeah,
I only know she just left the
He's a real bartender now,
The
huh?
only one that was drama free and
That's my son.
at least what I've heard.
So Mark and I were going to put it Mark at the blue way, so I have like an hour to kill.
Never happened.
And then when Mark gets there, I'll go have to
We will see what you get from my son. My one and only.
Yes, exactly. It wasn't even an hour.
Ang pogi naman ng anak ko.
When I can't know what.
Busy, busy.
47 minutes.
Okay, so 47 minutes is like an hour. We're rounding everything up, huh?
Hey, yeah.
Miss Christie is a Chocomel. Chocomel is a fish. I don't know which one to go with.
I don't know if I would want to warm for
Can I start drinking?
That's horrible to all the time.
And look, make this. Look. Wait.
Oh, yeah, I saw that one too. Everybody tries to pick up the phone. They like to act there. Someone put the bag on there.
You can drink your coffee na.
They just want to put the bag on there.
It's not my fault you're stupid. She has to learn the hard
I
way.
went to this cafe once and
So, ayan ang kay Ate Lab. Ginawa yan ni Rico Baby ko, ang drinks na yan. O, diba? Ayan, nag-serve sa amin si Rico. Yes. Wala kang tip sa amin, Rico. Wala kang tip. So, picture with Rico Baby. Busy si Rico. Ayan, tapos na. Nagbigay pa si Rico ng mga heart. Heart na jelly. Ano ba yan? Gummy pala. Gummy. Ayan o. May mga heart na bigay si Rico Baby ko. Ayan, tapos na kami. Uuwian na. Uuwi na kami at si Rico may iiwanan. Picture muna before mag-uwian. Picture. Yan, uwian na. Bye, Rico Baby. Bye-bye. Thank you for the gummy. Ayan, may 3 gummy ako from Rico Baby. Oh. Means, I love you. Oh, love ako ni Rico Baby. Ayan, say goodbye na to, Celeste. Bye-bye na. Huwag na kayong mag-iyakan. At babalik din naman yan si Sophia. Sophia, say bye to Celeste. Basta't ako masaya. I got 3 gummy. Heart chong. Gummy from my baby Rico. Diba? Ayan, uwi na kami. Balik na kami sa car. Uwi na. At bukas maaga pa kami. Ihahatid sila sa airport. Uuwi na uli sila. Babalik na sa Philippines. Thank you guys for watching. So, yan ang despedida today. Nanood ng movie at pumunta kay Rico.